Share UiPath-ABAv1 exam questions to practice UiPath Automation Business Analyst Professional Version 1.0 exam. 1. What is the goal of deploying automation in RPA? A. To train employees on how to use UiPath software. B. To test UiPath software for performance and reliability. C. To install and configure UiPath software on a computer. D. To make the automated process available for production use. Answer: D. 2. What is the primary goal of task analysis in the context of evaluating automation potential? A. To measure the time spent on a specific task or process. B. To visualize and analyze the steps involved in a task. C. To identify potential bottlenecks or areas for improvement. D. To determine the level of expertise required to perform the task. Answer: C. 3. By what step at most should the analysis of input and its future standardization be decided upon? A. During as-ls process documentation. B. During process analysis. C. During talks with the SME and business owner. D. During to-be process documentation. Answer: B. 4. Which of the following statements would define the UAT planning phase in RPA? A. It is a phase during which a plan is developed for user acceptance testing of UiPath robots. B. It is a phase during which UiPath software is tested for performance and reliability. C. It is a phase during which UiPath software is installed and configured. D. It is a phase during which employees are trained on how to use UiPath software. Answer: A. 5. What is an example of a relevant process stakeholder input necessary for the business analysis phase? A. Create a potential cost savings graph of the business process or requirement. B. Offer process solution design workflows. C. Provide a full list of applications used by the process. D. Organize testing phase meetings. Answer: C. 6. According to UiPath's best practices, when should the test scenarios and test cases be created? A. During the test RPA phase. B. When preparing the test data. C. During the solution design phase. D. During the prepare RPA phase. Answer: C. 7. Which of the following principles applies during the process documentation stage? A. High-level process map should be created only after the to-be process map is done. B. Sign-off is not mandatory if the feedback was implemented after review. C. A minimum of one review is required. D. Including more scenarios and business rules should be done after the first review. Answer: C. 8. How can a business analyst measure the success of an automation implementation using UiPath? A. By tracking the number of errors and exceptions that occur during the execution of the automation process. B. By tracking the level of customer satisfaction and business value generated by the automation process. C. By tracking the accuracy and completeness of the automation process compared to manual execution. D. By tracking the total amount of time the automation process has been executed. Answer B. 9. What is a key feature of Automation Hub that offers an overview on the automation program? A. Pipeline Manager. B. Citizen Developers Manager. C. License Usage Tracker. D. Process Documentation Creation. Answer A. 10. Select the statement that best describes an UiPath process. A. An action performed by a human. B. A set of interrelated or interacting activities that transforms inputs into outputs. C. A process is a sequence of instructions that a computer follows to perform a specific task. D. A group of related processes that share common goals and objectives. Answer B.